Welcome back to CelebXplore Hub. Today, we're digging into the scandalous affair that rocked the gardening world. Picture this: romance, scandal, and a blossoming career. Stay tuned as we uncover the untold story behind Garden Rescue host Charlie Dimmock's affair with a co-star, and why she says she has no regrets. Charlie Dimmock, the beloved gardening guru, shot to fame on the hit BBC show Garden Force in the late 90s. But it wasn't just her green thumb that grabbed headlines, it was her personal life that stirred up drama. In 2001, Charlie's relationship with long-term partner John Mushet hit a rough patch when news of her affair with microphone operator Andy Simmons surfaced. Despite the upheaval, Charlie stood firm, admitting in 2002 that she had no regrets about the affair. She candidly shared, "You wouldn't do anything if you kept worrying about what might go wrong." But the fallout didn't end there. Charlie went on to date another member of the ground force crew, sound technician Barry Smith. Tragically, Charlie faced further heartache when her mother and stepfather perished in the 2004 Boxing Day tsunami while vacationing in Thailand. The devastating loss shook Charlie to her core, prompting her to step away from the spotlight and focus on healing. For 2 years, Charlie turned down work as she grappled with grief. But eventually, she found solace in a new venture, dabbling in acting with a role in the 2010 touring production of Calendar Girls. Now, Charlie is back and better than ever, gracing our screens once again in the fan-favorite show Garden Rescue. And there you have it, folks, the whirlwind journey of Charlie Dimmock, from scandal to triumph. Don't miss her return to Garden Rescue today on BBC One at 3:45 p.m., where she and fellow host Chris Hull work their magic to transform outdoor spaces across the UK. Until next time, keep blooming!